Hello everybody, welcome to Wedding Wednesday. My name is Michelle and I'm the owner of Michaela's Brides Design Studio. And on Wednesdays, I share with you guys wedding day tips, tricks, and hacks. So check out my DIY tutorial on a quick bridal style for all natural hair. I actually ended up doing this because we had a style shoot planned and we had everything ready to go except for hair. So of course I got online, found a quick little tutorial on how to do a quick and easy natural style, and I just worked it out. So here's how it went. All right, so here we are. I'm just going to walk you through the process. Autumn came with her hair in 2-strand twists, and I just untwisted each section. I sprayed it down with some warm water and then applied a cream moisturizer, which is linked below. Detangled it and began to do my part. I just simply parted the hair in the middle. My goal was to do it from ear to ear. And after all the hair was detangled and sectioned off, I braided down the top portion and used a little edge control. All right, so here you can see me slicking down her edges. I just have a little brush for her edges. And after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie them down to make sure they stay laying down nice and smooth, because our photo shoot is gonna be outside. And again, guys, this hairstyle was just a quick DIY hairstyle. I am not a hairstylist. I am a gown designer. But this was for a style shoot. And I forgot a hair tie, so she's looking for one. So I'm just detangling the back. I forgot to take out some of the twists in the back. That's what you see me doing here. And after it's all sprayed down with warm water, I put a little moisturizing lotion on it, a little edge control, and I just brushed it and slicked it back into a ponytail. Then from here, this was just a little round bun that I got from the hair store, and I just cut it in half and applied it like a U shape on the back of Autumn's hair. And here you see me with opening the Jamaican twist hair, and I am just going to braid that down for the top half of her hairstyle. Just doing a French braid, and then I kind of pulled it out to make it kind of loose, and I applied some of the cream moisturizer as well as a little oil to give it the same sheen as her hair. And with open bobby pins, I just pinned it right on top of the braid that's on her head with her hair. And for the back, I am just taking the hair. I think I used about 2 packs. For the top, I used 1 pack. For the back, I used 2. And in the center, I bobby pinned it down. And you can see me adding more hair. And then I sectioned it off. Actually, at the top, I didn't like that, so I'm just reshaping that twist. And then I just sectioned off how much hair I wanted to keep and cut off the bottom underneath the rubber band. And just bobby pinned with open bobby pins and tuck the hair underneath. And here I'm just adding a little hair jewel. I just attached it. It's kind of like a necklace. It was something like a necklace. It wasn't actually made for the hair. But I just bobby pinned it down and then tucked in the extra pieces, the chain, into the hairstyle, and added that bird cage veil, and that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel. See you guys next Wednesday.